186. Aphorism, Organon of medicine. Those so-called local maladies which have been produced a short time previously solely by an external lesion still appear at first sight to deserve the name of local diseases, but then the lesion must be very trivial, and in that case it would be of no great moment, for in the case of injuries accruing to the body from without, if they be at all severe, the whole living organism sympathizes, there occur fever. The treatment of such diseases is relegated to surgery, but this is right only in so far as the affected parts require mechanical aid, whereby the external obstacles to the cure, which can only be expected to take place by the agency of the vital force, may be removed by mechanical means. For example, by the reduction of dislocations, by needles, by bandages to bring together the lips of the wounds, by mechanical pressure to still the flow of blood from an open artery, by the extraction of foreign bodies that have penetrated into the living parts, by making an opening into a cavity of the body in order to remove an irritating substance or to procure the evacuation of effusions or collections of fluids, by bringing into apposition the broken extremities of a fractured bone and retaining them in exact contact by an appropriate bandage. But when in such injuries the whole living organism requires, as it always does, active dynamic aid to put it in a position to accomplish the work of healing, for example, when the violent fever resulting from extensive contusions, lacerated muscles, tendons, and blood vessels requires to be removed by medicine given internally, or when the external pain of scalded or burnt parts needs to be homeopathically subdued, then the services of the dynamic physician and his helpful homeopathy come into requisition.